If resetting the alarm doesn't resolve the issue, start with the siren. A weak or silent alarm often indicates a depleted battery in the siren unit, which typically lasts 5 to 7 years. Consider replacing just the battery or the entire siren unit for reliable performance. For false alarms triggered by motion inside the vehicle, clean the interior sensor thoroughly. If cleaning doesn't help, you may need to bypass or replace the sensor, which detects ultrasonic waves and can be affected by pets or objects. Many owners successfully fix constant alarms by lubricating and realigning the hood switch. This magnetic or contact switch ensures the hood is closed properly and can become misaligned over time. Check online forums like Audi World and Reddit for detailed DIY guides. These communities share step-by-step instructions and success stories from other Q3 owners facing similar alarm issues. For vehicles from 2020 and later, check for over-the-air updates through the My Audi app. These updates can address software glitches in the alarm system and improve overall performance. If DIY fixes don't work, consult an Audi-certified mechanic for professional diagnosis. They have access to specialized tools and can identify issues like control module faults. Regular maintenance can extend your alarm system's life significantly. Perform sensor cleaning, battery checks, and alignment inspections to prevent common issues from occurring.